Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Highguard game crashing, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, showing black screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then check if the game is opening or not. But if the game still shows the same error, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So the game is listed over here. If you cannot find it, click on allow another app. Now click on browse and after that you have to go to the game folder, select the game application and after adding it, select the game. Make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, then click on OK and then launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like Nvidia Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and here you have to click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, try to open the game and check. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will search if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and once done, now launch the game. Next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on your system, you are suggested to pause it or stop it because this can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. Antivirus programs can block the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program, or it's better to disable the antivirus program before you launch the game and then try to play the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below, click on the link to download. Once the Visual C++ files is downloaded, click on it to open. Here you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it and wait for some time. Now after this, close it and restart your system once your system restarts. Now once your system restarts, now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them. After selecting them, right click on it, click on end task. Now after this, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. Once you select the drive, select custom size, and in the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and now check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So it's already been added. If you want to add it, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. After that, you have to select high performance under GPU preference and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, next method is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, click on the download option, and once DirectX is downloaded, you have to open it and install it. After installing it, restart your system and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Highguard game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. Once you have done this, restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now again launch Steam and reinstall Highguard game once again, and then click on the play button to check whether you can play it or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve Highguard game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not loading, showing black screen, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.